living in the west side of Toronto, tired of high-density condo life, want to be in the middle of woods, but don't want to sacrifice the convenience of urban life. What choice do we have? Hi, my name is Priscilla. I'm your real estate broker in the Greater Toronto area. In Best Buy of this week, I'm introducing you one pre-construction project coming from Applewood Hills community in Mississauga. Okay, let's first take a look at the developer's own introduction. So as you can see, this is the cover page of this project of its electronic catalog. So it says distinctly traditional, refreshingly modern. So you can sense this is actually a good combination of modernity and traditional living. So this is the exterior of this stacked townhouse. It's transitional. It really combines both classic traditional architecture of townhouse, but they use a lot of right angles, those simple straight line to reflect its modernity. It really focuses on young family living. So from this page, we can really sense that we are in the middle of a very green environment. We're surrounded by various of parks and hiking paths and trails. So you can see like 6, 7 of them. For example, JC Park, Fleetwood Park, so on and so forth. So I'm sure if you enjoy creeks and woods and streams, you will really like this area. But we are not just in the green environment. We are also at the center of it all. It says that you don't just have the parks, you also have shops, restaurants, and recreational facilities in this neighborhood. There's no shortage of different type of retail stores. You are surrounded by fashion, by boutique stores. We also have various schools nearby because they're really focusing on young families. There's various elementary schools and high schools. Okay, in terms of transportation, we are also surrounded by couple highways such as 427, 401. It takes you 10 minutes to access 401. And go to downtown, it's only 24 minutes. I think this is really golden because if you live in York region, even though there's no traffic, it can easily take you up to 45 minutes, right? So this is 24 minutes. It saves you a lot of time. So again, we just mentioned that we are surrounded by different facilities. So you can see there's no shortage of Canadian Tire, LCBO, even Costco's within just a couple minutes drive. And the very famous, the center of the whole Mississauga, Square One, it's just here. So it's about like 5 to 7 minutes drive. I think you're gonna really enjoy the urban life. So this is pretty much about the environment. In terms of the unit itself, each unit, you can see it says that homes that execute luxury and comfort. So it's a combination of luxury living, but yet it doesn't sacrifice daily comfort. Some of the facts about this project, I can walk you through Q&A quickly. The builder is called Sierra Building Group. It's a developer that was over 25 years of experience. They had multiple projects within the GTA. They are renowned for creating distinctive, beautiful homes. This is a condominium stacked townhouse. So there's 3-story. Some of them are 2-bedroom, some are 3-bedroom. Transportation, we went through that, and it's in the middle of parks and a lot of different facilities. For now, we are still the initial launching stage, so they do offer free parking. This is valued at $45,000, so don't miss this golden opportunity. The maintenance fee is really value for money because even you compare with condos, a lot of times you'll see 70 cents per square foot, even 80, but this one's only 23 cents per square foot. Occupancy, it's 2024 spring, so you only need to wait about 2.5 years, then you can already move into your new townhomes. So apart from its very affordable price, which I mentioned, they started from $700,000. Another thing very friendly is that the deposit structure within the first 1 year, 360 days, you only need to pay 15%. So you can imagine that's actually, you can really make use of this lever. Only 15%, just wait for another 2 years, then you will have your own townhome. The fourth 5%, you only need to pay at occupancy, which is 2024 spring, okay? So, but the first year, only 15%. Don't forget about that. Last but not least, let's go over one unit that we already have on hand. So this unit is called Teak. We all know that for condo townhouse, not only you have neighbors on your left and right, you also have neighbor either upstairs or downstairs. But a lot of times, people like the upper part unit because you enjoy more sunshine, right? So we are the upper part unit. So the shadow area, you can see, you come in, you walk one stairs up, and then you enjoy the upper part of this building. So you have this floor, and a terrace, okay? So this is our main area. Obviously, you have your kitchen and a very spacious formal dining area. Of course, it can also use as your living room. And this side is the kitchen appliances. You also have a powder room here in this floor. So basically, the family spend your time here in this floor and interact with each other and watching TV, so on and so forth. And in that bedroom area, you have a very spacious master bedroom with its own suite washroom. The other bedroom is also spacious, and then you have a bath. So this bath basically is dedicated for this second bedroom. Both bedrooms, they have their own washroom. And then you have a gigantic terrace. And in high density city like this, you have a terrace. You can mingle with your friends and host your barbecue party in summertime. So this is the floor plan. It's quite spacious. We have over 1,100 square feet and 2 bedroom and 2.5 washroom. The price is $19,900. It's facing east. You have lots of sunshine in the morning, and this is in the middle. Okay, the upper part. All right, so this is pretty much about this unit. Don't forget, we at this initial launching stage, we give a free parking spot, which was $45,000. If you're interested in this unit, talk to me as soon as possible. If you have recent purchase plan, but this is not the best fit, I can cater the property search for you to include not just those good ones from MLS, but also some great value off market properties. Looking forward to connecting with you soon. Bye-bye.